Yeah, it's a tough one, isn't it? Agents are the holy grail. When I was at drama school, I was really fortunate enough to be able to graduate with a showcase in front of agents, and then I got signed. So, again, I'm really privileged and really lucky to have had an agent. Everyone looks at agents as this chalice of like, we have to get an agent. You don't actually. If you don't have an agent, my advice would just be crack on. There's a lot of work out there. I mean, it's all over social media now, isn't it? It's a great casting platform. Get yourself a good headshot, get yourself a good show reel. Do some free work. Everyone hates free work. Everyone slags it off. Actually, I've done free work, and I'm not saying like, do an advert for Heineken for free. They've got the money. Do you know what I mean? But get some student projects. Get some credits on your CV. As long as you are moving, that's dedication, not dedication. And if you've not got an agent, don't sign with my mum, who could quite easily set up an agency, and because of that dedication and that desperation, people would sign with her. She hasn't got a clue, my mum, and she won't mind me saying that. But yeah, like there's so many agents out there who've just set up. Like, do your research, find out if they're a good agent, just look at their website. Do those headshots look like professional headshots, or do they look a bit naff? They look a bit naff. Well, that agent has signed an actor with a naff headshot. Do you then respect that agency? No, don't sign with them. Don't sell your soul. You can do better with no agent sometimes than with a duff agent. Just crack on, keep finding your work. If it's meant to be, it will be, and if you keep moving, then that's dedication.